Muling iginiit ng Malacanang ang panawagan sa grupo ng Sultan ng Sulu na si Jamarul Kiram na magsibalik muna sa bansa upang marisapin sa Sabah, Malaysia. Niliwanag ng palasyo na sa pamamagitan nito ay mabibigyan daan ang mapayapang negosasyon sa inaangking teritoryo ng Sultanate ng Sulu. Muling nagre-report si Rocky Ignacio.
Nanindigan ng Malacanang na walang dapat kalakip na kondisyon mula sa pamilya Kiram ang pagresolba sa standoff sa Sabah, Malaysia. Sinabi ni Presidential Spokesperson Edwin Lacerda na kailangan munang bumalik sa bansa ang grupo ni Raja Muda Agmimuding Kiram bago ang negosasyon.
You don't hold a gun to my head and negotiate. It's like you put a gun to my head, mag-usap tayo. That's not the way decent people do negotiations. You want us to know your claim, you cooperate, the President said, come back home, and we will talk. But you're asking me to talk to you while there are people in Sabah that there's a possible outcome of violence. That's not acceptable to us.
Agad naman nilinaw ng palasyo na ang pagpapabalik sa kanila sa bansa ay hindi isang pagtalikod sa claim ng bansa sa Sabah. Na nang tiniyak ni Pangulo Aquino na patuloy na re-resolbahin ang usapin sa mapayapang paraan. Ipinag-utusan ng Pangulo ang pag-aaral sa legal na basihan ng claim ng Pilipinas at ng Sultan sa Sabah.
The manner of your presentation of your claim by using armed people, bringing your people to Sabah, will not effectively press your claim. That's not how to do it. And so the President has stated very firmly that we are studying the Sabah claim. So to those who are saying that we have renounced, read the entire speech, read the context by which it was stated, and that's what we are doing right now. The claim is being studied.
Gate pa ng palasyo, hindi na rin dapat sisihin ang pamahalaan ng Pilipinas sakaling kumilos na ang Malaysian authority sa insidente. Hindi naman daw kasi ang claim lamang sa Sabah ang pangunahing concern ng Pangulo, kundi ang kapakanan ng may 800,000 Pilipinong nakatira dito. Hindi naman kumbinsido ang palasyo na ang insidente sa Sabah ay magre-resulta ng panibagong instability sa Mindanao. Gate ni Lacerda, kasama sa nakonsulta sa pagpapatibay ng government framework agreement ang Sultan ng Sulu.
The burden is not on us. That's the reason why the President has, in his statement yesterday, spoke to Sultan Jamalul Kiram III directly. He spoke to him as a leader, that you can command your forces to stand down, come back here. And that is you don't want a follower, you don't want a leader to, have we been unreasonable? I would say no, the government has not been unreasonable. We have sent emissaries to discuss with them. The entire purpose of this is to come up with a peaceful resolution to the incident. We are also concerned not only with the 180 who are in Lahad Datu, we are also concerned with the welfare of the 800,000 Filipinos in Sabah. We have a broader perspective than the 180 people, and that's a concern of the President.
Samantala, tiwala naman ng Malacanang na hindi naman makakaapekto ang insidente sa magandang relasyon ng Pilipinas at Malaysia. Para sa telebisyon, Rocky Ignacio.